Hi everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you if YouTube stop recommending your video to new viewers, your video got dead. Today, I will show you two methods which you can apply on your videos. First, I will show you the proof in one of my videos, and then I will show you the settings which you can apply and you can get some dramatic results. So first thing, let me show you the video on which I applied the method. So this is the video where I apply the method. I uploaded this video on 20th of December 22. I got 11 views. 26 December I got 32 views. 9th Feb I got 373 views. And after that this video start getting more views, more audience retention, and it goes up to 9,600 views. So this is the proof. Now let's go back to YouTube Studio and I will show you the two methods which I applied on this video. So let's start. So now I'm going to show you the two steps which I applied on this video. The first step is not on your video, it's on your whole channel. So for the first step, what I did, came on my YouTube Studio. On the left side, I click on settings, then I click on channel, and then I click on advanced settings. Here, look for automatic dubbing. So first, let me tell you what automatic dubbing does. So let's say I'm going to play this video, but before that, if you hit on settings and if you click on audio track, Hindi language is auto dubbed is selected in Hindi. The original video voice is English. So if I play,
everyone, welcome back to another short tutorial. In today's video,
but if I go again into the settings, audio track, and I change it to Hindi and then I play,
नमस्कार दोस्तों, एक और छोटी वीडियो में आपका स्वागत। आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको iOS 26.3 में
here what YouTube does, it automatically dubbed your video from your original language into multiple languages like Hindi, Japanese, French, Malayalam, and couple of other languages which you can see in the settings and audio track. Whenever a person searches your video and he finds that your video is not in his native language, what he can do, he can select his language from the dubbed audio track and simply can easily understand the content of the video. The impact of this setting is once you enable it, the YouTube will recommend to the more. As YouTube start recommending to the more people who don't understand your language can change the language from audio track and watch the video with their native language dubbing. So this is the first settings. By default, this setting is, if it's on, then manually review dubs before publishing is enabled. So make sure that this option is disabled and only keep allow automatic dubbing and then click save and close. So that's the dubbing settings. Now let me take you to my video where I apply the settings. So to reset the YouTube algorithm, all you need to do is go to the particular video analytics, go to details, and here you will see A/B testing. Click on it. Here you will find three options: title only, thumbnail only, title and thumbnail. So here all you need to do is copy your original title, open any OpenAI source of ChatGPT and write the following prompt: generate viral and SEO rich titles from below one. Here ChatGPT will give you new titles. What you can do, so here I copied two more titles from ChatGPT suggestions and then I click on set test. After applying this, YouTube will take some time and it will analyze the titles and it will suggest you the best one on which you will get more reach on this particular video. So these are the two simple steps. First step I applied on my YouTube Studio and the second on video itself. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.